EMS video session. Today we are going to see a special function which is provided by SQL, that is aggregate function. So we'll see one by one. So MySQL will work with 5 different aggregate functions. So there are various aggregate functions can be used along with the select statement. A list of commonly used functions alone we will be seeing in this session. So the first function is count. It will return the count of expression. And sum, it will returns the total summed value of the expression. Average value of the expression, and minimum value of the expression. Maximum value of the expression. So we'll see one by one with their syntax. So the first one is max function. So the max function returns the maximum value of an expression. So if you come to the syntax, so you have a syntax here, select, and max is a function. So inside the function, we are going to pass an argument, that is aggregate expression. So the aggregate expression stands the column or expression which you want to find it out for the maximum value. And after that, you have to give from, and you have to give the tables. And here, if you have any other special conditions, so that can be mentioned with where or group by or order by. So anything can be used along with these conditions. So the next one is minimum function. As same like a maximum function, the minimum function will return the minimum value of a column or the expression which is given inside the min function. So whatever the column you are specifying inside this minimum function, so it will take that column or the expression and it will return the minimum value of that expression. The next one is average function. So average function returns the average value of an expression. So in this average function alone, you have to consider the null cases. So the null values will not be considered under this average function. So the values alone will be considered for the average expression. So average, the column or the expression which you want to find out the average, that has to be given inside the average function parameter list. And then if you have any conditions, you can apply that condition at the end. The next one is sum. It's like finding out the total value of the given expression. So here we have a sum function. Inside the parameter list, you're going to give a particular column or the expression which you want to find it out, the sum. So that you can give it, and if you have any other condition, that can be given in the where or order by or group by conditions. Then you will get the value of aggregate functions. The last one is count function. The count function returns the count of an expression, numbers. And one more thing about this aggregate function, all the aggregate functions will return an integer value, a sum value, the aggregate value of it. We will not get multiple values, we will get only one single value. And the select count aggregate expression, so the aggregate expression can be in a column or it can be an expression, and whose non-null values will be counted. The null values will be neglected from this. If you want to add that null values also, then you have to put star over here. If you put count of star, the null values will be included. If you have given the column name or the expression, then the null values will not be considered. So these are the 5 different aggregate functions. In the next video, we will see what are the ways we can use the count function along with var class, group by class, order by class, with other var conditions. The same way we will see that concept for the sum function also. So we will see in detail about count function and sum function in the next video. Thank you.